Welcome to this jump rope Tabata for beginners. Perform all the sections with the jump rope or alternate between squats, jump rope, push-ups, and more jump rope. Go! Use any skills that you can do and go as fast as you can while staying in control. This is going to give you the best results with this workout. Remember to focus on good form and technique. Rope rotation is coming through the wrists and jumping nice and low to the ground. Rest. As always, I am using my cross rope jump ropes. If you are interested in those, check them out in the link down below. I have a 10% off code just for you. Go! Rest! Round 3, go! If you trip up, don't worry about it. Just get going again as fast as you can. Rest! Go! Rest! Way to go! We're halfway there. Keep pushing hard. For the second half, I'm going to throw in the alternating between bodyweight exercises and jump rope. First up, squats. Dig deep. Let's go. Rest. Back to the rope. Let's go. Round 6. Rest. If you're adding in the body weight exercises, push-ups. Ready? Go. Round 7. I know you're getting tired. Make sure you're maintaining good form and working hard. Rest. All right, we're heading into round 8, the last and final round. Get ready to give me everything you got. Let's do this. Go. Keep pushing hard. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. I hope you enjoyed this workout. If you did, hit that like button. And if you still have more gas in the tank, you can repeat this Tabata or check out the other workouts on my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.